messing with us. Don't mess with.
Don't throw me into the sun.
You ready?
Victor.
5, 6 step left. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and left. Throw. Then we step left and push away. Push overhead. 6, 7. Jump together. 1, 2. Twist. Right, left, right. Step to the corner. Then kick, step, touch, turn. Right foot goes up. 7. Then we go step, touch, step, touch. Step, circle. Left, right. One more. Throw your hands up. Now we're going to turn. 7, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, great job. Let's go faster.
I'm gonna put out my hand now. Don't throw me into the sun.
Ready?
Victor.
5, 6, you got it. 5, 6 step on your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and left throw. Then we push it away. Overhead, 6, 7, jump. 1, twist, right, left, right. Corner, kick, step, touch, turn. 5, 6, 7, then we step, touch. Then we step right and circle. 2 more. Throw your hands up. Turn it. 4 steps. To the front, to the back, to the front. Yeah, fantastic.
Reflexes.
Yeah, got it. I'm gonna put out my hand now. Don't throw me into the sun. Victor.
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going down. Hey, come on in. If you wanna dance, let's shake it out. Watch your back, little monster. Got you right where we want you. Hey, step right up. You're about to learn your lesson. Don't go messing with us. Don't mess with us. Don't mess with us. Don't mess